In a landmark decision, the Indian Supreme Court has excluded the creamy layer within the scheduled castes and the scheduled tribes from getting reservation benefits. It has also asked the state governments to identify the relevant individuals. The creamy layer refers to individuals within the reserved categories who are socially and economically well off. Now, currently, this concept applies only to other backward classes, and according to the current definition, the creamy layer refers to households that have an annual income that exceeds 8 lakh rupees, or about 10,000 American dollars. A 7-judge constitution bench of the Supreme Court, led by Justice D.Y. Chandrachud, ruled by a majority of 6-1 that subclassification within SCs and STs can be permitted. And this is to ensure that the most backward groups within these categories can receive the adequate representation for which the reservation was originally designed. The bench has also emphasized that social equality principles allow the states to provide preferential treatment to the most disadvantaged classes amongst the SCs. 6 judges upheld the subclassification, while 1 judge chose to dissent. 4 judges specifically called for the exclusion of the creamy layer. Now, speaking on the creamy layer within the SCs and the STs, one of the judges, Justice B.R. Gawai, said that there are categories within the scheduled castes and tribes that have been oppressed for centuries, holding that the state governments must identify them. Now, Justice Gawai also held that the criteria for identifying the creamy layer among the SCs and STs should differ from those that are used for other backward castes. Now, agreeing with his observations, Justice Pankaj Mittal said that reservation amongst SCs and STs has to be limited to the first generation. He also said that it should not be extended to the second generation if any member of the first generation has reached higher status through reservation. For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.